Hello crafters, this is Suzanne for Kat Scrappiness, and I'm introducing the Nesting Stitch Hexagon dies. Love! This is a set of 5 dies with a great stitched detail on it. Look at that. Let me give you a measurement of this die set. The length, 3 7/8 of an inch tall by 4.5 inch wide, and then it comes on in. If you double it up, you can definitely make this into a shaker. Let me show you 2 examples of this great foundation set, part of Kat's new release. Here's one example. This is where I used 2 of the dies and ran it through my die cut machine together to create a frame. You could put a piece of acetate underneath this and turn it into a shaker. Or in this card, I used the die alone. There it is with the pattern paper, and here it is with the solid as foundations to then build upon in creating a card. So check out the details below for the Nesting Stitched Hexagon die set. It's a goodie. Thanks so much for watching.